Welcome to the Deep Dive.
Our goal is basically to be your shortcut to getting properly informed on a topic.
Maybe even spotting something you didn't quite expect along the way.
That's the plan. For this deep dive, we've been, sifting through quite a range of reports and studies.
All focused on the China medical tourism market, health services,
Right.
looking at it from different angles.
Right.
And our mission today is kind of twofold. First, what kinds of medical treatments, what health services are actually highlighted as, well, suitable or popular for foreigners going to China? And second, what about China's advantages compared to other countries? Specifically, we want to look at quality, cost, and speed for those treatments.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Let's dive into that first part then. What kind of care are we talking about? What are the treatments, the services that, really stand out?
Well, a major area that just comes up again and again is cosmetic and plastic surgery.
Oh, right.
Things like rhinoplasty nose jobs, facelifts, liposuction, body contouring, breast augmentation, eyelid surgery. They're mentioned frequently.
And the sources really emphasize how big this sector is, don't they? I remember seeing one report forecasting it could hit, a 30% market share by 2025?
Yeah, something like that, attracting patients not just from Asia and the Middle East, but even some from Western countries.
And Guangzhou specifically gets called out as a hub for advanced cosmetic clinics.
Exactly, Guangzhou. But beyond the aesthetics, another really prominent area highlighted is cancer treatment.
Okay.
The material lists a really wide array of options. You've got your standard approaches, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, but also more cutting-edge stuff. Immunotherapy, cryotherapy, that's where they use extreme cold targeted therapy, and even, highly specialized procedures like CAR-T cell therapy.
Right, CAR-T, where they modify your own immune cells.
Exactly. Modifying a patient's own cells to fight cancer, and also proton therapy, which is a very precise type of radiation.
That's a really comprehensive list just for cancer care. Yeah. The sources mention Beijing, I think, having top-tier centers offering some of these, like the CAR-T.
Yes, Beijing.
Yeah.
And they specifically name-drop a couple of facilities, like Fuda Cancer Hospital and Modern Hospital Guangzhou,
Right.
known for advanced procedures and, interestingly, for combining modern techniques with traditional Chinese medicine.
Ah, TCM. That integration seems like a key theme that pops up.
It definitely is. Looking at other areas, fertility treatments are also mentioned as popular, especially IVF, in vitro fertilization, and other advanced reproductive tech.
And Shanghai gets noted for IVF specifically.
Shanghai, yeah. And stem cell therapy is another advanced area the sources mention as being available.
Okay. What else?
Well, then they list a whole range of surgical specialties, drawing international patients. Orthopedic surgery is in there.
Like joint replacement.
Joint replacements, yeah. Spinal surgeries, fixing bone fractures, treating things like kyphosis, that's the spine curvature bone cysts, arthrosis, joint degeneration stuff.
Got it.
Neurology procedures, too.
Yeah.
Treatments for Parkinson's disease, including deep brain stimulation. And stereotaxic surgeries for epilepsy and stroke. Those are those really precise 3D mapped surgeries.
Right.
Cardiology and cardiovascular surgery are also big. Heart bypass, heart valve replacement, angioplasty for blocked vessels, that kind of thing.
Okay.
We also see ophthalmic treatment like cataract surgery, refractive surgery, and dental treatment, especially dental implants.
So really a broad spectrum of modern medicine and surgery.
Definitely.
And you mentioned TCM earlier, traditional Chinese medicine. The sources emphasize that too, right?
Yeah.
Often integrated with the modern stuff.
Exactly. They describe TCM using practices like acupuncture, the needles, herbal remedies, cupping,
Right.
moxibustion burning herbs near the skin, tai chi, qigong, different massage techniques.
And it's used for pain relief, stress, chronic illness management.
It's presented as this distinct but sometimes complementary offering alongside the Western medicine.
Interesting.
And this range of services isn't just everywhere. The sources point to specific cities. Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou are the main hubs for international patients.
Okay.
With big names like Peking Union Medical College Hospital, Fudan University Shanghai Cancer Center mentioned as attracting global patients. Oh, and they also list things like obesity surgeries, gastric bypass prostate surgery, and hysterectomy among common treatments.